Namaste, my name is Zeenat from JG Colony Bhawana, Delhi 39. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. 73 years, this day on behalf of all Indians, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Indian PM, declared the Union of India independent from the British Empire with the famous Trials with Destiny speech. However, India was legally free from Britain commemoration of Allied forces surrounding Imperial Japan. The British Crown assumed control of undivided India in 1858 after the Sepoy Mutiny under the East India Company, which had reigned supreme in the subcontinent after the Battle of Plassey of 1757. Mangal Pandey is the most renowned figure of the mutiny, popularly known as the First Battle of Independence. The Indian flag we host today also has an interesting history. The tricolor saffron, green and white with the Ashoka Chakra was the final design. The tricolors were finalized in Karachi Resolution of 1931. The Hindu quoted then, it being understood that the colors have no communal significance, but that saffron shall represent courage and sacrifice, white peace and truth, and green shall represent faith and chivalry. And the spinning wheel, the hope of the masses. On the eve of independence, the committee modified the flag, replacing the spinning wheel with an Ashoka Chakra so as not to make the Indian flag synonymous to any one party. Hansa Mehta, on behalf of the Movement of India, presented a national flag to the Constituent Assembly of India. Unfortunately, the subcontinent's independence also resulted in its division as two nation-states, which promoted mass migrations, rioting and plunder in many parts of undivided India. But the founding fathers and mothers of sovereign India dedicated their efforts in integrating the people of India. India has no dearth of national heroes in the struggle for independence. The list includes popular names of Tipu Sultan, Rani Lakshmibai, Mangal Pandey, Vallabhbhai Patel, B.R. Ambedkar, Sarojini Naidu, Usha Mehta, Savitribai Phule, Veer Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and Mahatma Gandhi among innumerable others. Each of freedom's fighter has their own version of the future, but their common aspiration was to see Indians free from oppression with political and social freedoms. Students played an important role in the education movement and participants in Indian freedom struggle were often engaged or engrossed in intellectual discussions. Here are some quotes on education from Indian the freedom movement. Must not for a moment forget it is a birthright of every individual to receive at least the basic education without which he cannot fully discharge his duties as a citizen. Abul Kalam Azad. If I had the popular to influence Indian journals, I would have the following headlines written in bold letters on the first page. Milk for the infants, food for the adult, and education to all. Lala Lajpat Rai. Education is not merely a means for earning a living or an instrument for the acquisition of wealth. It is an initiation into life of spirit, a training of the human soul in the pursuit of truth and the practice of virtue. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Literacy is not the end of education, not even the beginning. It is one of the means whereby man and woman can be educated. Literacy in itself is no education. By education, I mean an all-around drawing out of the best in child and man, body, mind and spirit. Mahatma Gandhi.